Today in history. 5th December 1983, somber and overcast, Buenos Aires, Argentina. Dear Diary, today was a really big day. They said it was the end of the military junta in Argentina. It felt so strange, like a heavy cloud was finally lifting. I saw lots of people in the streets cheering and waving flags, and it made me feel happy and a bit scared at the same time. A long time ago, back in 1976, the military took over our country. They said they were helping us, but many people were hurt and many disappeared. My teacher told us about families who couldn't find their loved ones. I remember her telling us stories that made me sad, and I didn't understand why anyone would hurt others. Today, it felt like we were finally waking up from a long nightmare. My mom took me to the plaza. I saw flags and smiles everywhere. Everyone was talking about how the junta had to stop because of the bad things they did. The older people were hugging and crying, and I could feel the relief in the air. When we got to the plaza, there were a lot of people gathered together. They were holding signs and singing songs of freedom. I saw some grandmas who had been looking for their children for so long. They had tears in their eyes, but they were also smiling. They knew something big was changing today. It felt so exciting to be part of such an important moment. Everyone was shouting, "Liberty and democracy." It made me feel like a superhero. I got to hold a little flag, and I waved it as hard as I could. It was a big celebration. I also thought about how many people had suffered. When the day was almost over, I heard the announcement that the military leaders were officially stepping down. Everyone erupted into cheers and clapped like crazy. I could feel the joy all around me, like a warm hug. I looked at my mom. She had tears of happiness on her cheeks. I knew this was a day we would never forget.